Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Truefire Guitar Lessons app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Truefire is a guitar learning app designed for beginners, intermediate players, and advanced musicians who want structured guitar training. It offers thousands of video lessons taught by professional guitar instructors across genres like blues, rock, jazz, country, acoustic fingerstyle, and more. Courses include step-by-step guidance, interactive practice tools, and real-time progress tracking to help learners improve efficiently. The app's main features include high-quality lesson videos, slowed-down playback, looping options for difficult sections, and guided learning paths. Users can also access jam tracks, tabs, notation, and in-depth technique breakdowns. It's available on both iOS and Android and allows learners to study at their own pace with personalized course recommendations. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the professional instruction quality, genre variety, and structured curriculum. The slow motion controls and interactive tools make it easier to practice complex techniques. Users also value the large library of lessons taught by well-known guitarists and educators. However, there are some drawbacks. Much of the premium content is locked behind a subscription, and some users feel the interface can be overwhelming due to the huge amount of courses. Additionally, offline downloads and certain advanced lessons may require an upgraded plan. In summary, the Truefire app may be worth using if you want high-quality video lessons, professional instruction, and a large library covering multiple guitar styles. However, if you're looking for a simpler beginner-focused app or prefer free learning options, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.